Hello, Matt Tangent here, how are you doing? Today I'm going to make some hot sauce out of the peppers that I have grown this year. I've made chutneys in the past, I've made jams in the past. Today is hot sauce day. It's going to be very, very simple. 3 ingredients: peppers, vinegar, salt. That's all. Got about 600 grams of peppers here. Got some Thai green curry that are now red, obviously, because they've ripened. We've got some red cayennes. We've got some ghost peppers, some lovely red Bhut Jolikias. We've also got some white Naga Vipers and some Aji Ayoyo, I think is how they're pronounced. I'm probably wrong there. As you can tell, I'm outside. The main reason being is when I start cooking these up with vinegar, it's going to generate a lot of fumes. And we don't really want to be stinking a house out with the fumes from super hot peppers and vinegar. First of all, I'm going to chop up the peppers, but I'm not going to use a chopping board. I'm going to use scissors straight into the pan. Doing it this way means I'm not going to contaminate any chopping board. Life hack. Just talk amongst yourselves. Right, ghost peppers in now. That unmistakable ghost pepper smell. It's going to be hot. It's going to be a hot one. Got a little slither of ghost pepper there. Should we give it a try? Whoa! Oh my word. That is poking. Okay, this is going to be a hot sauce. There's no doubt. Whew. That little tiny piece has just burnt my lip. Cool, bloody hell. Right, now that I've chopped up all the chilies, it's time to add the vinegar and salt. I'm using cider vinegar. I've got 500 ml here. I'm going to use the whole lot because there's about 600 grams of peppers there, so be about right. You can use other types of vinegar, white vinegar for example, but I'm using cider vinegar. Oh, nice. And salt, about 1.5 teaspoons to start with, but you might want to add more later for taste. Right, let's get the burner fired up. Just going to bring that to the boil. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, let's have a look. Wow. Yeah, I'm really kind of glad I'm not indoors. Well, that's been bubbling away nicely for about 20 minutes. So the peppers are all going to be nice and soft. All the flavours are going to have melded together nicely. Now it's time to blitz it and turn it into sauce. Now I've got to be very careful with this so that it doesn't go spraying everywhere. Wow, that smells amazing. Just going to get a teaspoon and give it a taste. There we go, it's really thick. Oh, it's got sweetness there. And there's the heat. Oh, blimey. That heat is coming up. That is really not bad at all. And that's just peppers and vinegar and salt. I'm really pleased with that. Got a really nice cayenne pepper flavour. The ghost pepper flavour isn't too prominent, but the heat from the ghost peppers is. It's really not bad at all. Hurrah! Now it's time to bottle it all up. Well, I say bottle, I don't have any bottles, but I have plenty of jars, which I've sterilised. Now to do this without making a mess. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?